Meet Anne. After graduating from a technical college, she's ready to take on a new role in retail. Ownword's Digital Story Résumé is the perfect tool for Anne's job application journey. It will empower Anne to showcase her skills and experience easily to recruiters and the job market. Once Anne has signed up, she can search by using keywords, work type or state to find an exciting new role. Anne can choose to read or listen to the job description. Sounds like a good fit. Let's start the application. Now for the fun part. The employer has set 3 tasks so Anne can demonstrate her skills and knowledge that is specific to the job. This is Anne's opportunity to use photos, videos, words, or her voice to show the employer why she will be the best person for the role. Anne can easily edit each section to re-upload media or add voice and text. Now that Anne has saved the media for each question, it's time to send it off. With her own words, the Digital Story Résumé is now submitted. Anne can be confident that she has shown recruiters her skills and explained her knowledge related to the job as retail assistant.